Comes to at-home devices, we all know that microneedling is the undisputed heavyweight for building collagen. If you've been needling for a while and you're ready to take your routine to the next level, and you definitely want aesthetician level precision. Today, I'm diving deep into the Dr. Pen, the M9. This isn't a beginner tool, okay? It's a high performance upgrade featuring an intelligent chip that automatically syncs motor speed to your cartridge. I'm gonna show you why this added layer of safety and the new needle gauge make this the pro choice. Before we jump into the specification, let's talk about collagen induction therapy, which is the technical term for microneedling. The benefits for skin rejuvenation are absolutely incredible. It helps stimulate your body's natural healing process to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, fade hyperpigmentation, smooth out uneven skin texture, and even target acne scars. Some say it is really like the miracle of the skin routine, and I would agree. And I love microneedling. I've been doing it for probably about 3 years, I want to say. If you follow microneedling closely, you probably know about Dr. Lance Setterfield. He is widely considered the absolute guru of microneedling and has done a ton of foundational research on collagen induction therapy. While Dr. Pen has its own independent company, Dr. Setterfield's research on how to properly needle the skin is exactly why so many of us use the incredible technique today. And when it comes to safely putting that research into practice, Dr. Pen is truly the brand for their unmatched quality and safety when we are talking about motorized pens. I love Dr. Pen motorized pens. So this is the Dr. Pen M9, and right off the bat, I have to give you a major warning. You have to make sure that you're purchasing directly from the official Dr. Pen website. There are so many fakes floating around online, and when you are dealing with needles penetrating your skin, you cannot take the risk. So the one thing that I absolutely, well, there's a lot of things I love about this pen, but one of the things that I absolutely love about the M9 is that it has a built-in intelligent chip engineered to perform at its best with genuine needles. And I mean genuine. So once you pop the cartridge in, there is going to be a little green light, and that green light indicates to you that it is an authentic Dr. Pen cartridge and safe to use. So we love that. That's a great peace of mind. Let's talk about some of the other features of this device. The pen features a larger battery for longer use and quick charging. It also comes with a dedicated stand. So I love this stand, okay? It not only is it easy to sit on there, so when you're, doing this, you can put it right on there to have it sit, and in between, doing this an area. And what I love about it is that it's going to be sanitized. Those needles are going to come out to about right here, and it is not going to hit any surface area. You can be ensured that it is going to keep sanitized. That is really important, okay, when you're microneedling. It is also compatible with several cartridges. We've got the 18 pin, which is going to be suitable for facial area. The 36 and 42 pin are suitable for the body and hair regrowth. And then you've also got the nano round, which is going to be suitable for the weekly glow boost. That's going to help penetrate product deeper into the skin. You can do that weekly. You can actually change the depth right here. You just put in the cartridge, you change the depth, and it goes from a 0.2 all the way up to a 2.5. When it comes to your speed, it has 6 speed levels. Dr. Pen provides a great guide for the different skin concerns, which I love because I get so many questions about this. So for example, level 1 is going to be geared towards pigmentation. Level 2 is going to be geared for hair loss. Level 4 is going to be geared towards pores. 5 targets acne scars. Level 6 is used for melasma. So when I'm doing the face, I actually like to do it, and it really depends on what I'm doing. Again, I usually keep it between a 1 and a 4 on the face, depending on the facial area that I'm going to do. Another thing that I want to talk about on this pen is the consistent torque, okay? In older pens, the motorized can struggle or bog down, depending on the skin resistance, but the M9 chip detects the needle count and keeps the torque calibrated, meaning every single pass is identical. Remember, when you are using a Dr. Pen, you're using that glide technique. So that torque calibration, the speed the type of needle, all of that needs to be super high quality because we want to make sure that we're not getting any tracks, on the face and more irritation than what's needed. That brings me to the safety net. So if you're kind of wondering about the speed and if your speed is too high or too low, this chip removes the guesswork, okay? Ensuring the pen is always performing at its optimal safety to result ratio. And it also is going to help reduce inflammation by automating the speed. We get a cleaner in-out motion. For those of us with mature skin, it means less unnecessary inflammation and a shorter recovery window, which of course we all love. So let's talk safety and technique. So I'm going to be telling you quickly how to use this device. So what you're going to want to do is double cleanse your face, and your hair needs to be back, and you want to make sure everything is squeaky clean, especially if you're doing a 0.5 or above. Clean the cartridge. All of them do come like this. They are medical grade. I love that they are like this, but you definitely can clean it as well with 70% alcohol for about 5 minutes. Allow it to air dry. And then once you are done, every single cartridge needs to be disposed of. So once you're done with this cartridge, you are definitely throwing it away. Okay. That is very, very important. No, absolutely not. Can you use a cartridge more than once? So I say, if that is something that you want to do, look into a stamper. And the reason for that is because you do need a glide, which I'm going to be talking about in just a moment. But also you are not going to be using this on open wounds, active acne, any skin that is irritated, okay? You might want to use a numbing cream. So you can apply it for about 20 minutes if you want to. And then of course, make sure that the numbing cream is completely off and clean before using it. Let's talk about the glide. You definitely need a slip. You are not dragging this on dry skin. That is where you're going to get the traction. That's where you're going to get some more additional inflammation. Do not ever do that. You're definitely going to want to use a glide. And one of the best serums that I love is the Coste Baja. This is a high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and that's going to provide the perfect slip when you are using this device, or actually any other type of motorized doctor pen. Okay. So you're going to work in small areas and apply the serum to each area before needling. That's key. Some ingredients that you're definitely going to strictly want to avoid is retinols, exfoliants, active ingredients, vitamin C's, fragrances, preservatives. There's a lot depending on the needle length. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But to keep everything simple and safe, this is a no-brainer. Takes the guesswork out of what it is that you need to use. So the motion, you want to glide the pen vertically, then horizontally, and then diagonally in both directions. You want your skin to be a bit pink. This is super key when you are working with a motorized pen. Do not push the needles into your skin, okay? Light pressure. I'll be honest, the first time I used this, I used too much pressure. I could tell my face was like redder than a light bulb. It was crazy. So I'm like, oh my gosh. But I was fine. I know how to take care of my skin. But that is really key. Do not push the needles into the skin. You're going to let the motorized device do all the work for you. You're gently just placing it on there and gliding it. Okay. So frequency for depths of 0.5 or above, you definitely want to do it about every 4 to 6 weeks. If you are an experienced microneedler, you could definitely do it every couple of weeks. I'm working on my forehead right now, and I'm doing it every 2 weeks. I've been doing microneedling for, like I said, 3+ years, and I'm going to give you my whole forehead routine pretty soon here. There's a couple of lines here that I'm just kind of working on. I want to see what I can do. So let's talk about my actual experience with the Dr. Pen M9. And I know that a lot of you are going to say, I know, Jodylynn, you love the Banisher. That is your favorite pen. It is. I love the Banisher. It is my favorite pen. However, I know that many people love motorized pens, and I get why. So I love to try them out for you. I love for you to see if it's anything that you want to add in, because not everyone is a stamper fan. And I love playing around with stampers as well. I did find this to be very easy to use. I thought it glided very easily. Again, you're just going to want to make sure that you're not adding any pressure. So it glides beautifully on the skin. I had no issues with it. So the only con that I really have about this pen, I would say, is not a lot. I'm going to be honest, it moves to the levels very quickly, which is great. So when you're working in the eye area, I like to do a 0.2. When I want a cheek area, I'll do a 0.6. So I love that you can do that. It's easy to use. I really love this. I kind of just wish, the only con that I really have is when I place it down, it would be nice for it to just kind of pause and stop rather than going, because you're using like the battery up. Not a big deal, really not. It's got a large battery life, but I mean, that's the only comment I could really think of. And also, if you're new here, my name is Jodylynn. Thank you so much for joining me. And I do educational videos on how to take care of the skin with a good skincare routine, SPF daily, and the help of beauty devices. I didn't start my skincare journey until I was 47 years of age. So it's never too late. And I didn't even start using beauty devices until I was about 49, 50. And I'm 54 years young. And I feel that I've made great progress with what it is that I'm doing. And I continue to see what we can do at home. So if that is something that you're interested in, please subscribe. I would love to have you. All right. So do I think this is a good investment? If you're in the market for a new pen, I think it's a great investment. It's quick. You only need one cartridge to adjust all the different needle lengths, which of course I love. I also love how smoothly it can glide, because that is key. If it is not smooth and it does not glide smooth, you could have bigger issues. Okay. Plus it is an authentic doctor pen, which means you are getting top tier quality. Whew. So I know that that was a lot of information, but don't worry. I'm going to be doing actually a full step-by-step how to use this device. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe. But before that, I'm also going to be sharing with you the serums that I like to use when I'm using a 0.5 or above needling treatment. There are certain serums that you need to look for, and you don't just use any serum. You don't use any serum that you're using daily to microneedle into the skin. That is absolute key. So I have got a lot of them that I absolutely love. I wouldn't say a lot, like maybe 5. And video is coming soon, so you can take a look at that. And if you wanted to prepare, you could purchase the serums, and then we could sit down together and do the technique together. And I'll let you know exactly how to use the pen with the serums after treatment, after care, as well as treatment for the following days. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time.